Introducing the Wesco 20V 1/2-inch cordless impact wrench, your go-to tool for power. In the box, you'll find the Wesco 20V impact wrench, a powerful 2.0 Ah battery, a fast charger, and 3 durable sockets, 1/2-inch, 5/8, and 3/4, perfect for a variety of tasks. This compact yet robust tool is designed to handle tough jobs with ease, delivering a maximum torque of 133.5 ft-lbs. 2.0 Ah battery provides long-lasting power, ensuring you can work uninterrupted. And with the fast charger, you'll be back up and running in no time. Charge quickly and get back to work with minimal downtime. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, construction projects, or home maintenance, the Wesco Impact Wrench delivers consistent, reliable power. Its high torque makes light work of even the most challenging fasteners, saving you time and effort. Work confidently in low light conditions with the integrated LED light, giving you clear visibility wherever you need it. The light automatically activates with the trigger, ensuring you can see exactly what you're doing, even in the darkest corners. Built to last, the Wesco Impact Wrench is engineered with durability in mind. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort during extended use, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity. Upgrade your toolkit with the Wesco 20V 1/2 cordless impact wrench. Power, precision, and performance, all in one reliable package.